Carter, how was school today?
Huh?
How was school?
Good.
Okay, I got you something. Hopefully you like it. So, here it is. Oh, no, that's not it. That's not it. This one. Yeah, taste it. Don't pull the whole thing out. Just a little piece of it. Yeah. Now, take a bite. You like it?
Not bad.
Not bad. I don't know. You give me the tendency like you don't like it.
You got my drink?
I got you a drink. But do you like this?
Yes.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right, give Daddy a hug. Speak Creole. Parle Creole. Ça quoi parler Creole là?
I don't know.
Dis moi. Say it. Moi.
Where?
Reme.
Where?
Papa.
Papa?
Moi reme grand moi.
When good.
Moi rele Carter. Si vous savez parler Creole, I'm la cause nous montrer le Creole là. Okay, Papa, let's put your seatbelt on. So we got to go and do not dirty the damn car.
Don't say that.
Sorry. I meant to say the car. Okay? Sorry. They say you cute, Carter.
But
You're too cute.
I want.
M'pap j'aime pas l'anglais avant encore. Pas que papa c'est haïtien, maman c'est haïtien, grand c'est haïtien. Ou bien tu vas parler créole. Comment ça se fait?
I want water.
Please.
Please.
Say that in Creole, then I'm gonna give you the.
Water.
Say it.
I want water, please.
Dis en créole. Dis papa. Papa.
Papa.
Moi vle
S'il
l'eau, s'il vous plaît.
vous plaît.
Come on, viens dis ça là, viens dis ça. Papa.
Papa.
Moi vle l'eau,
Oh,
s'il vous plaît.
s'il vous plaît.
Okay, répétez ça m'sauter là. Say it again in Creole. By yourself.
I want water, please.
Now say it in Creole.
Water.
Okay, cool. At least you try. Alright, let's go.
What about the water?
I have juice here, but not water. But since we're not too far from home, you will drink water at home.
Nope. I drink juice.
Cat, Bobby, you blind lah.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, we're gonna drink water at home. Oh, you wanna drink this? Okay, here.
One thing. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, big man. Okay. No, we gotta put your seatbelt on first. Oh, damn, somebody was thirsty. T'es soif? Ça, c'est dernier grain nan. Dernier grain nan. Pas encore. Porte la fermée. Pas encore. D'ailleurs, m'chatri. Pas vrai, Carter? Carter, you the last one?
Mm-hmm.
And you want to be the last one? You want a baby brother or baby sister, or you want to be the last one?
I want to be sis. I want to be the last one.
Oh, that's what I thought. I thought you was going to say you want a baby sister. I was going to say, hey, tombe job. Au revoir tout le monde. Say bye-bye, Carter.
Bye-bye.
Dis au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Au revoir.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Dis au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Say au revoir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adios.
Okay.
Let's
I'm
go.
sorry, guys.